This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the laptop and removing power and peripherals. Use an alcohol wipe, then a microfiber cloth to remove oils. This prevents trapped particles. Once done, inspect the screen at an angle under light to spot dust. Apply hinge tape along one edge of the protector and temporarily hinge it to the laptop as an alignment guide. Make sure the protector size and cutouts match the bezel. This step creates a repeatable, precise starting point. You now align the protector with the taped hinge and double-check that ports and camera are clear. Slowly peel a small portion of the backing, about 1/2 inch, and lower that edge onto the screen using the hinge as a guide. Once contact is made, peel backing gradually while smoothing with a squeegee or credit card wrapped in microfiber. Press from center outward to push air and avoid stretching. This eliminates bubbles and ensures even adhesion across the glass. You finish by removing the top protective film from the protector if present, then run a microfiber cloth around the perimeter to seat the edges. Make sure to press down small edge gaps so the adhesive bonds. If tiny bubbles remain, they usually disperse in 24-48 hours. Otherwise, smooth them out from center to edge. If a speck of dust caused a visible blemish, lift a corner gently. Use a dust sticker or tape to remove the particle. Then realign and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.